Today we're making a slime.
Yeah.
Okay, first.
To make a big bubble.
A big bubble.
Yes. We're going to put them together.
Okay, you want to squeeze that, Xander? Squeeze that. Swish it, you swish it. Okay, now mix it all up.
This one.
Oh, be careful.
This is fine. No, make this fine together.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put some more on yours. Okay, then I'll help you mix yours in a little bit.
And it makes it good. I thought it was fine.
Okay, it's not slime yet. You gotta keep mixing.
Oh, yeah.
Keep mixing. Xander, see how I'm mixing? Really,
it's getting sticky.
it is.
Ew. Wait, we get stuck. It's getting stuck.
Okay, we'll keep on mixing. Okay, can I mix yours? Let's switch, okay? Let's switch. Now you mix mine. Mix that. Hi, okay, this is our slime so far. We mixed it all. Okay.
Is it slime yet?
Almost. Ready? Okay, now what we're gonna do. Okay, now it is slime.